Hey guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour of a 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Let's go ahead and take a look. Alright, we're aboard the 420 Outrage. Got a starboard side walkthrough, hold down dive ladder, freshwater shower. Boat's equipped with quad Mercury Verado 350 horsepower motors with joystick piloting. As we come in here, you can see this large transom bench seat with the additional cockpit fold out starboard side seat. Comfortably, we've got 6 or 7 adults in the back here. We got a teak table that goes into place, turns into a really great al fresco dining area. And then you do have the summer kitchen live well prep center here with tackle storage, large insulated live well right here in the center, and then your Kenyan electric barbecue grill. Work our way forward. Got air conditioning at the feet here for your rear facing passengers. This just folds down, the seat pops up, and you get a whole bench for another 3 or 4 adults sitting forward. And then to the main helm. 3 across captain's chairs, vented backs. 2 19-inch Raymarine Axiom screens, air conditioner at the helm. Large enclosure here. We do have isinglass that can enclose the whole bridge in. And then we go down to these large steps with nice ease right into the cabin. Love this interior color package. Looks beautiful. Flat screen television. There's a microwave hidden here behind the cabinet. Turns into a berth as you see it now. We can take this cushion right off. The table comes on a high-low pedestal. Put the high pedestal in and you have a really nice dinette down here as well. Rod holders both the port and starboard side. And if we look up, you notice how much natural light we have on this boat. Big skylight. I love the fact that when you're sitting down here, when you look out the windows, you don't have to look at the deck. We're looking right out into the water line. And then the aft part of the cabin is the head. It does have a Dometic electric flush toilet system. Large stand-up shower with a rain head. Let's work our way up onto the bow. Nice handles everywhere you need to go if you're walking while you're underway. Wide walkways. 3 across sun lounger. Sun pad in the front. This one also comes off. And you have a forward bow table and teak that you can use this as a dinette area. Guys, it's Justin Costello, MarineMax Pompano Beach, showing you a 2019 Boston Whaler 420 Outrage. Quad 350s in white, Seakeeper gyroscopic stabilizer, twin 19-inch screens. The boat's loaded and ready to go. 954-633-2070.